just start it with import numpy as mp. Okay, so firstly they actually want from us creating a function, so calculate list, and the next part here actually they want here, yes, if a list containing less than 9 elements so is passed into the function, raise a value error and give this message. Okay, I'm just copying this message and write it. So I can do it like that. If range list is not equal to 9, okay, raise an value error here, and yep, that's it. Okay, that's it. So list is gonna be equal mp array. I will take it and then I'm gonna reshape this as 3 by 3 matrix. So that's it. After that we should find here, no, mean, variance, and standard deviation, etc. So how I'm gonna do that? Actually they want from us to firstly find axis 1 and secondly find the axis 2. So just I want to show it, like think of we have some matrix, some list like 0 to 8, okay, so this is the axis 0, this is the axis 1. If I'm gonna do it axis 0 here, take this mean, for example 6, 3, it's gonna be 9/3, so the answer will be 3, right? So the other part, axis 2, I mean we're gonna equal to axis 1 to 1, and here 0, 1, 2, 3 by 3, so 3 divided 3 is gonna be 1. Okay, so actually this is not so hard, just one of the parts you should think here. Here I'm gonna do it like axis 0, and I will say, hey, do it like to list. If you don't do this one, so you will get an error. Okay, so the other part, list, mean, and axis will be equal 1 and to list. Okay, and the last one, we're gonna find the whole list mean. So here to list again. So that's it. Actually for the other calculation I'm gonna use this template. Here actually I added it like that. Okay, so variance is gonna be list.var. For the maximum, just put that max. Okay, these are all of them same thing. So the other part actually they want, not this one, they want from us here, yes, the return dictionary should follow this format. Okay, so here we're gonna create a dictionary with this bracket. Just do it, return, and I will now create a dictionary. Okay, so for the mean, it will take this value mean. Okay, for the variance, it will take variance, and etc. So it actually finished. but just run using task module. Okay, so copy it, and where is this one? So I'm taking all of it. Yes, so just run it. Okay, our task is okay, right? There is no problem.